The Songwriter's Workshop Melody by Jimmy Kachulis is a book dedicated to, well, you guessed it, writing melodies. The book has been around for some time now, and you might wonder, is it still relevant and is it any good? In this review I will share what you can learn, what I like, some points of critique and who it is written for. So let's get creative. What can you learn? As with all music books, the most important thing to know is what you can learn. Nothing is more frustrating than reading a book that does not deliver on its promise. So I understand you don't want to waste your time. The Songwriter's Workshop Melody is divided into 5 main sections: rhythm, melody on chords, melody across chords, melody over chords, and melody against bass lines and riffs. Each section has lessons that gradually build in complexity. These lessons break down the section's topic into separate songwriting techniques. Once you're almost at the end of a section, then you can expect that multiple of these lessons or techniques will be combined, which makes the lessons a bit more difficult. What I like. I like how the Songwriter's Workshop Melody is divided into separate sections. They are easy to understand and it's good to keep topics separated whenever possible. I also like that the book starts with one of the most elementary things in music, which is rhythm. So many people forget about how important rhythm is. If you choose the wrong rhythm, it could completely destroy your melody and lyrics. Something that I also liked is that the book is easy to read and that it avoids using too much music theory jargon. Some points of critique. The Songwriter's Workshop Melody has the same problem as Jimmy Kachulis' book Hit Song Forms. I don't find it to be 100% beginners friendly. For example, somebody who does not read sheet music cannot really use this book. But on the other hand, I also find that this book does not go in depth enough. Many interesting techniques and topics are introduced, but it often left me wanting to know and learn more. Many times it just scratches the surface. Who is this book for? If you ask me, this songwriting book is for intermediates who are looking for more inspiration. And as a beginner you can also use it, but I recommend doing so with a teacher. So, is this book your first and last music theory book that you'll buy? I don't think so. If you're a beginner, then I recommend that you read it together with a more beginner-friendly book. Or if you're advanced, then I recommend you combine it with a more in-depth book. For example, this could be Melody and Songwriting, or Great Songwriting Techniques by Jack Perricone. I wish you a lot of reading pleasure, stay creative, and for now, see you next time.